Um,
Cool bike.
oh, thanks.
Bet you need an oil change.
No. I don't know how to do the oil change, so you got to show me.
Yep, sure do. I'll teach you.
Okay. Well, shit, show me some stuff. Let's go.
And jack your bike up.
Show me how to use one of them things, because I just got it here. Yeah. You look like you struggling. You good?
Some bikes you have to take plastic off, but on this one you don't. Here's a few things you're gonna need. Something to catch the oil with, the filter, oil, something to clean stuff up with, funnel. Oh, almost forgot. 12mm wrench. Got it? First things first, take off the cap to allow the oil to drain.
Wow, this is what it looks like underneath the bike, huh? I just get on the thing and ride it. Maintenance ain't my thing.
The bucket right under your oil drain, and then you get your wrench.
You sure know what you're doing, don't you? You're good.
Undo it with that hand. You do.
Oh! Grab it.
Get on me.
I'm gonna go back on this side, all right? Thanks.
I got a K&N filter, so I need the 17mm wrench. Clean it up. Screw on. I got the K&N filter, and now we're gonna put it on. We're gonna put the new one on to the thingy. This one costs for 3.7 quarts because I have the filter. Here we go. Funnel. I'm gonna start here and then go all the way down to 300 to leave 300 in there. Okay. We have 3.7 in this. This baby's ready to roll. Let's get on and start.
Sounds good. Thank you. I appreciate the oil change.
Now you know how to do an oil change from a second grader.
Oh, you're being funny. From a second grader, right? Okay. Y'all make sure y'all watch it for future videos. Mo City Biker out. Jesus.